Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making this super cute skater dress that I just showed you. So for this tutorial, you're going to need 2.5 yards of fabric. You're going to need scissors, fabric, and paper scissors. You're going to need pins. You're going to need the mashing thread, and you're going to need a zipper. So for the patterns, the pattern I use in making this dress are two patterns that are already in on the channel. I'm going to link those tutorials below. So you're going to use the skater skirt tutorial and the bralette tutorials, and both tutorials are going to be linked below. So those are all the things you need in making this dress. So before we start, I want to mention that I forgot to film the last two steps, which is adding the zipper and hemming the dress. I'm really sorry about that, but I have an extensive video where I explain how to add a zipper to any garment, so I'm going to link it below in the description box, so you can go check that out and you can add a zipper to your dress. With that said, let's get on with this tutorial. Guys, so move this down. These are the pieces for the bralette. So we're going to start with the bralette. So you're going to have four of the main fabric and 4 lining, and this is the underbust. You're also going to have a main fabric and a lining, and this is the strap to hold up the dress, and mine is 50 centimeter long. So those are all the pieces you need to make the bralette. So the first step is we're going to take this out like so. So remember, whatever you're doing for the main fabric, you're also doing for the lining fabric. So we're going to put right sides together, right sides facing. You're going to pin this like so. And you're going to go sew it from there till there, and you repeat the same step for the other part as well. Okay guys, so I already went ahead and sew it. So this is what you should have. Now we're going to add it to the bottom, the underbust piece. So my underbust piece in total is 40. That's basically the measurement of your underbust. You have to measure that and add 2 centimeter seam allowance, and mine in total is 80 centimeter long, and I'm folded it in half. So this length right now is 40. So we're just going to place the top here. This is going to go like this. So you're going to place it here, take your pin, you're going to pin that in place. Flip it, and you're gonna have something like this. So I'm gonna go ahead now and sew it from there till there. So right now we're going to move on to the next step, which is attaching the lining and the main fabric together, and you're also going to be attaching the straps to the top part at the same time. So you're going to take your straps, you're going to put them right in the middle like so. You're going to pin them, or you can just leave them there, and you put that also here like there. And you're going to take the lining fabric, right sides facing, you're going to start pinning it all. So I'm going to pin that together and sew it from all the way from there like so till there. We're going to leave the sides open because we're going to be adding a zipper to the sides. Okay. this is it right now. I've already added a lining. I haven't ironed it yet. I'm going to go iron that in a few, but I just wanted to show you this is how it looks. And we're going to add the straps at the back, and this is it from the inside with the lining as well. So we're going to flip it, and you're just going to determine like where you want to put the straps. So I want my straps to like align here. So I'm just going to, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this a little bit of a hole so I can put this through. It doesn't have to be a big hole, very small hole. So I'm just, this is it, the strap piece. So you're just going to go sew it close here, and also for the other side as well. Gonna sew it here, and then the top part is done, and then we're going to work on the bottom part of the dress. Okay guys, so this is the skirt piece, and I've cut out they are like in 3 pieces. So this is the front piece, and then I have 2 backs, and I cut the back pieces in 2 because we're going to be adding pockets. So I'm also going to link the video on how to add a pocket to an item, to a garment. That's going to be also in the description box below, because I already showed you guys several times, so I'm going to go fast through this. But we're just going to take out the pocket pieces, you're going to place it, and it's going to be 4 centimeters from the top part. You're just going to pin it here like so, and you're going to repeat this step for the other side, and also the 2 back pieces as well. I already went ahead and pin my pocket in place. You're just going to sew it from there to there, and you're also going to repeat this for the other side as well. So to sew close the side seam, you're just going to sew from there all the way through the pockets, coming down to there, and you're going to repeat the same step for the other side as well. Okay guys, I don't know if you can see, but what I've done is I have pinned the top part of our dress to the bottom part of the dress. So you're just going to pin it right sides facing, and you're going to sew it from all the way from this end to the other end like so. I'm going to go do that, and I'll come back show you guys the next step.